It's not turning on. It's not showing any signs of power. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take it apart. I had already seen this, but look how bad this is. These batteries are almost crystallized in there. Oh, and these are the old batteries, the ones you used to check when you used to press the sides like that. I remember these. Damn, so that just tells you this TV and this remote hasn't been used for that long. Look how bad these batteries are. They exploded. Trying to see if you can see, look at that. It's just popping out of there. Let's take that one off. Wow. A whole ring on this one just fell off. It's right here. So let me go ahead and take this apart and then we'll see what's going on the inside. So it looks like the corrosion kind of stopped right here. Let's see what the board looks like. This will be the positive and negative terminals. This is the LED that flashes or turns on whenever you press a button. That's weird how they put a capacitor right here on the side, just glued it down. Let me go ahead and take out the board. Look how disgusting this fucking thing is. Good thing I'm wearing gloves. This is years of fucking Cheetos and fucking Cheeto fingers and who knows what else on this thing. This is pretty gross. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out and then we'll see what it looks like after. Now let's go ahead and clean this board. It has a sticky shit everywhere. So I did some digging around and I found out that these two capacitors right here are shorted out. I guess some of the corrosion got into here and I messed these up. I tried putting the batteries back on and it didn't work, so I'm gonna take off these two capacitors right here and we're gonna try to get some other ones from another donor board that I have around here. Let me go ahead and do that. You have to cover these because if you heat them up while you're doing this, you could damage those. I'm not too worried about the other components that are around here, so we'll be okay. We're just gonna take off those two capacitors right there and we're gonna get them replaced. We're gonna be using 400 degrees Celsius and 45 air. There you go. Let's take off this old solder so we can put some new solder here. Okay. Let's put some flux. Let's get some fresh solder here. I'll make some nice pillows right here. Alright, now let's clean up. Alright. Let's put some flux on this and let's get those other replacement capacitors. They are from the same board, so I'm gonna have to test them and make sure that they are functioning. I should have tested them before I'm putting them back on, but I'll check them with the multimeter afterwards. If I can remember how they went. I think this is the right one, huh? Yeah, that's one. Let's get the other one. It's hard to work in this area because I don't have the board tacked down to anything. I'm holding it with just with tape. So let's heat them up first. Oh, come on. Alright, there we go. Just make sure they're seated well. There we go. Let's clean up. Now let's put it back together and let's see if that's gonna work. So now we have it all assembled. Let's go ahead and put the screw back on. If I can find it over here. The only screw on this whole controller. Alright. Let's put a fresh batch of batteries and let's test it out. So there is a controller. Now how we're gonna test this, we have an infrared reader right here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So if we press power, I don't know if you could see, but you see the infrared light goes on. This one up here. See? Up, down, side, audio button. Looks to be working. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video.